Welcome to RJ4All's Youth Club Plus, an initiative providing disadvantaged families with free, high-quality educational workshops, artistic events, and cultural visits for their children. Youth Club Plus, grounded in RJ4All's RG model, empowers young people to build resilience through restorative justice practices. Focusing on self-awareness, emotional agility, and growth, it helps youth navigate challenges and make positive choices. Youth Club Plus is a unique program with a clear purpose: to build youth resilience and nurture youth potential. We run 6 youth clubs plus events annually, serving over 300 children, including those with special educational needs and disabilities. Each week-long club is carefully planned with diverse activities, including resilience workshops, restorative justice art, gardening, and cooking sessions. Youth Club Plus is designed based on the feedback and needs of young people. We actively gather input through feedback forms, asking participants and staff to rate the events. This ensures every child feels included and valued. A standout feature of our initiative is the music workshop, offering children the chance to explore instruments, learn basic techniques, and collaborate in creating music.
Music brings everyone together. It's amazing to see kids discover their talents and grow as a team.
Shared by our staff, the impact of our Youth Clubs Plus resonates through the voices of those we serve.
So, did you guys like the youth club? Yeah? And did you think you did a little bit of sport? Yeah, what did you do? Okay, what else? Oh. Hey!
Yeah, I love the youth club. It's amazing.
Oh yeah, how was boxing?
Tiring and tiring. Yeah.
Good tiring or?
Yeah, good and tiring.
Aww.
And also, we have been doing some reading and we all sat down and we was talking or we was reading and we all had a good chill time reading.
Youth Club Plus is part of RJ4All's broader movement to promote community cohesion, stop power abuse, and advance restorative justice principles of power sharing, equality, dignity, respect, and fairness. We believe in creating opportunities that tap into the talents and interests of youth, addressing inequalities and fostering community well-being. All this is made possible by the RJ4All Powerhouse, our diverse, skilled, and passionate team of nearly 50 individuals. Together, we are building a brighter, more inclusive future for our youth.